Today, on under 2 minutes, we are going over the arc tool. Now, this is as simple as it sounds. It is just a tool for creating curved lines, as you can see. Now, these arcs have the same rules that apply as lines. It's just a path, which means if you take off the stroke, you won't be able to see it anymore, just like a line. You cannot use a fill. Also, anything in this stroke menu still applies to the arc. So let's go ahead and draw one. When I first start drawing an arc, I can make it any size in any depth that I want. The closer I get down to the middle, it's going to drop to a straight line. But if you hold shift, it locks in the dimension you're drawing, the height and the width, so that arc will stay uniform no matter how big or how high you draw it. Now, it's very easy to make things look good across and even. So if you're going to be drawing arcs and you want something really uniform, hold shift. Now, when you're drawing, if you want this arc to be flipped the other direction, hit F. It flips your arc, which makes it easier to draw different angles. It took me a while to figure that out. So the F key will flip your arc while you're drawing. You can also make the curve of the arc more or less with the up arrow key or the down arrow key. And that's all it takes. You can get close to a straight line. There we go. Go past that straight line. So it depends on how much that you want to add to your arc. And that is it. That's all there is to an arc. You let go and it draws you your very own arc.